In this video, we will compare Descript versus Riverside FM. Descript is primarily focused on video and audio editing, offering a unique text-based editing feature that allows users to edit audio and video by editing the transcript. This feature makes it incredibly easy to allow cut out filler words, edit conversations and polish content with minimal effort. Descript is also equipped with an automatic transcription, multi-clip editing and screen recording, even tools for podcast recreation, making it an all-in-one solution for many creators who want advanced editing capability and flexibility. It's ideal for podcasters, video editors and more who want to streamline their editing process with an innovative approach. Riverside FM is a professional-grade podcast and video recording platform that stands out for its high-quality recording features and ease of use, making it a top choice for podcasters, content creators and interviewers. One key strength is the ability to record audio locally on each participant's device, ensuring that even unstable user internet connections, the quality remains pristine. This results in better sound and video quality compared to traditional cloud-based platforms. Riverside FM also offers features like multi-track recording, live streaming, automatic transcription, making it a versatile tool for a wider range of content creation needs. Its intuitive interface allows for smoother collaborations with simple tools to invite guests, recording and editing. Plus, it integrates easily with platforms like Zoom and integrated video recording options that allows for the creation of polished content. However, Riverside FM is a premium service with pricing that can be considered very high for casual creators. However, for anyone looking for top-tier audio and video quality, particularly for interviews or podcasts, Riverside FM is a recommended solution that combines convenience, quality and professional-level features. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. In summary, Descript is perfect for those who need a powerful editing tool and innovative approach to edit videos and content, while Riverside FM is best suited for creators who highly prioritise their choice and reliability. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.